Hello, I'm Natasha. I'm very happy to have you here. Have you thought about the ways in which the body and our natural environment are similar? And is it possible that how we treat the earth is actually a reflection of how we feel about ourselves? These are questions that I would love us to explore together and to bring awareness to. And this can be spoken about on an individual level, but also thinking about it as a collective. Let's explore the ways in which the body and earth mirror each other. So I'm going to invite you to write down, preferably in the comments, but either your journal or in the comments or both, write down 3 ways in which you've observed that the human body and earth are similar or share similarities. I'd also be really curious to know what your thoughts are before we go into any examples about why it could be really healthy if we were to speak more about the similarities between the planet and the human body. In your experience, what could that shift within us as societies and communities? Our first example is going to be water. What examples immediately spring to your mind? As you know, water makes up a high percentage of the planet as well as our human bodies. In fact, it's essential for our health. Examples are that water is needed to transport nutrients and oxygen. It helps to regulate our body temperature and blood circulation, and it also eliminates waste. And it's this regulation of fluid within the body that maintains a healthy functioning body. So just as water is important for the function of the human body, just over 70% of planet Earth has ocean. And the ocean is vital for maintaining our climate and health of the planet. So a little bit like our circulatory system, which is important for delivering nutrients and oxygen and eliminating waste from the body. And then you've got another example of streams and rivers, which are vital for our ecosystems and for supporting life. Clean water is essential for reducing the risk of disease within the human body. Proper hydration also supports the absorption of nutrients and helps to break down vitamins and minerals and other nutrients into a usable source for the body. Clean water is essential for maintaining a diverse ecosystem, and it's these ecosystems that provide homes for plants and animals. Also, clean water is essential for our food supply, as polluted or dirty water will directly impact the crops that are being grown. And we're going to acknowledge emotions as another mirror. Emotions are constantly changing, like the waters. Sometimes we'll experience calm waters, sometimes we'll experience storms. And actually, crying is like it's offering a release of stuck or pent up emotion. I'd go as far as to say if our emotions get stuck, it can feel like a drought. And if our emotions are not regulated, it can feel like a storm. And we can express our emotions in many different ways in terms of the art, our creative sides, our conversations, actions, movement, and also our stillness. Let me know in the comments what similarities you observe between the human body, planet Earth, and our emotions. Thank you for being here. Thank you for liking the video, sharing with your friends and network, and subscribing to the channel so that we stay connected. We are going to continue this conversation with different examples, so stay tuned and I'll see you at the next chat.